everyone, I hope you all are doing great. This is Francis from You Do It. I just woke up this morning and I found this. The other day I was fixing my drainage system. I was actually fitting the pipe. It was the pipe I fixed earlier last week, and I forgot to cut this. And see the amount of water it's gathering. So in this video, we're going to let this water go. We'll cut this and free the water down. Let's go ahead. Using this iron shock convert. Finally, it's done. See how the water rushes. Look at the water rushing around. Look at the amount of water that gathered overnight. It rained heavily last night, and this is the amount of water gathered. So finally the water are free now from the rooftop. If you guys would like to watch the plumber work of this pipe, I will leave it in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video with other You Do It videos. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. You Do It.